Hello everyone. In the world of mutual fund investments, systematic investment plan has achieved a lot of popularity. However, there is a contra concept called systematic withdrawal plan, which is equally efficient in planning your cash flows. So, what exactly is systematic withdrawal plan? As the name suggests, this is a periodic withdrawal plan wherein you as an investor has a choice to decide the tenure up to which you want to withdraw the money, the frequency with which you want to withdraw the money, say monthly, quarterly, annually, and last but not the least, the quantum of money that you want to withdraw. So it's very plain and simple. The decision is completely yours. For whom or what type of investors is systematic withdrawal plan useful? A lot of people say, oh, I'm not in my retirement stage, so why do I need a regular income? Well, the answer to that is that SWP as a facility can be used for any type of periodic cash outflow that you have. It could be planning for child's fees payments. It could be probably making equated monthly installments for your house. It could be for a whole host of reasons, or you just need some periodic income on a timely basis. So it's not necessary that it has to be attributed only towards your retirement stage. The next question which investors ask is that if mutual funds are offering a dividend option, then why should I offer SWP? Again, dividends are not assured. A, the timing of dividends, B, the quantum of dividends. So there is that element of uncertainty that is attached to dividend payments. Second and most important is the tax efficiency. In the recent budget, DDT or dividend distribution tax has been removed, which means that the moment a fund house declares a dividend and you receive it in your hands, you as an investor need to pay tax on that dividend at your tax slab or at your income tax rate. Therefore, systematic withdrawal plan tends to be tax efficient when you look at in comparison to dividend plan. Hence, from a consistency in terms of cash flow perspective and from a tax efficiency perspective, the way we say best of both worlds, we believe systematic withdrawal plan could be considered as a potent option as part of your investment planning window. A word of caution, however, here is please consult your tax planner and of course your financial advisor to decide the quantum and the modus operandi of actually executing this investment decision. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.